Hello, this is Tim Lancia, and I am doing my final app YouTube update 2. Yeah, I think that's the one. So this is the second update. It is a bit late, I know, but I thought I might as well just make the video because I'm at a stopping point tonight, and I thought I got pretty far. I was able to completely build the database up, so now it holds all the data how I want it. I can even increment and decrement some of the values in the database as well. Kind of how I want the collection screen to look is also complete, filled out with the data from the database, and I have the ability to add new cards. I haven't implemented into the app yet because I'm waiting to pull the information from the API I'm going to be using to kind of fill out the card details page, which is kind of the next step, and that's how I'm going to add. That page is how I'm going to add new cards to the database, and I already have all that code. I'm just waiting till I do the API stuff later. So let's look at some code. I did use the same list that Spencer used. Yeah, sorry, my brain is not functioning, but I did have to make several adjustments to it. And that's kind of just the main looks of the collection page that I'll show you. Again, I built this database from scratch, so it's very similar to the geocache, how there's incrementing and decrementing, except the decrementing is just a -1 while the incrementing is a +1, so the code is mostly the same. Then there's just the create, so like I was saying, the create is there, and it's here, it's ready to be implemented. I'm just waiting to pull the information from the API. And so yeah, here's where I'm calling the increment and the decrement. And yeah, so not much in the way of front end, but a lot of kind of back end on all the server stuff is new and that sort of stuff. Yeah, so let's kind of demo the app now. Wait for it to connect. There we go. Okay, so here's kind of the front page that I was talking about. It's a scroll list, so it'll be a lot more cards, or a lot more cards will be there, and you'll be able to search through them. And kind of the main function, how the database is working, is you can add there, and you can remove one, and it'll go back. If you select it, it'll go to the details page. There'll be a lot more information that'll pull from the database as well, or not, sorry, the API. Same thing, all the things changed based off the title. That's basically it. Nothing happens when you search anything because it doesn't have, I don't know why I thought of that, it doesn't have an object I'm passing into that page yet. Yeah, so that's basically it for this update. I will be doing another one soon, the third one. Oh yeah, and I'll quickly show you kind of the database itself. It's just the name with how many cards it owns. This is the number that gets incremented or decremented, and then I'll be passing in. I'll be able to add more once I do the API stuff. Yeah, so that's basically it for now. Thank you for watching.